Geological landscapes of the southwestern frontier never meant to sustain modern high-speed continental transit. For millennia, these vertical limestone walls stood as absolute barriers, halting ancient dynasties and trade empires. Today, a massive multi-tiered infinity loop highway cuts through the abyss, emerging as sovereign power. Hovering over 2,000 meters above the deep ocean, this engineering marvel shatters physical geography boundaries. Every interlocking concrete curve and elevated overpass forms a political statement on global infrastructure dominance. Behind this structural triumph lies a massive industrial chain, operating like a strict chronological assembly line. Geopolitical stakes are immense, turning once isolated mountain territories into a strategic international gateway. International diplomatic delegations observe the site, recognizing the permanent shift in regional logistics and connectivity. The process demands absolute conquest of nature, starting with eliminating extreme weather hazards on peaks. Advanced automated thermal induction blasters are deployed on massive yellow steel trusses overhanging vertical drops. High-intensity orange plasma streams activate, instantly shattering and liquefying frozen geological fractures within seconds. Violent bursts of superheated white steam explode from rock, exposing mountain bones for structural anchoring. With ice cleared, a fleet of heavy automated crawler drilling rigs takes control of cliff faces. Massive diamond core bits bore deep into mountain roots under intense pressure, creating stable foundation sockets. Real-time telemetry from Beidou satellite arrays guides the operation, executing a flawless structural alignment grid. The chronological manufacturing pipeline shifts down toward the unstable ocean-facing cliff base, battling saltwater forces. At this extreme marine boundary, colossal waves and fierce coastal winds threaten lower supporting frameworks. Industrial worker crews, wearing uniform high-visibility neon green safety vests, endure punishing sea sprays. To shield structural foundations from crashing waves, massive interlocking high-density composite tetrapod blocks are positioned. Heavy-duty maritime tower cranes, painted vibrant yellow, swing large steel reinforcement cages over churning water. Once surf barriers are anchored, advanced pneumatic microblasting subsystems mount directly to wet cliff walls. Precisely timed electronic explosive charges detonate along the rock layer, creating controlled, shattered stone bursts. The modern explosive sequence instantly carves deep, precise recessions into limestone without shaking the mountain. Giant automated crawler excavators, tracking on wide steel treads, immediately clear thousands of tons of debris. The next step requires massive mechanical core drills to mount directly onto newly blasted platforms. Diamond-tipped industrial bits spin at extreme speeds, drilling immense 30-meter-wide shafts into underwater bedrock. High-pressure cooling water jets mix with gray stone dust, exploding outward from drilling collars. The identical industrial worker crew works in perfect unison, guiding high-tensile steel tendon bundles into shafts. These heavy metallic tendon arrays are locked using hydraulic tensioning systems, ensuring absolute structural rigidity. Computerized digital batching plants on upper cliffs prepare to push carbon fiber liquid concrete down pipelines. With anchor foundations permanently set into coastal seabed, the high-pressure concrete delivery phase commences. Dense, specialized carbon fiber reinforced liquid concrete is forced down matte black pipelines by hydraulic superpumps. The highly fluid mixture surges downward, pushing against atmospheric cold and crushing coastal humidity. The liquid composite completely floods massive 30-meter-wide structural casings, sealing underwater bedrock forever. As concrete sets, monolithic vertical support columns slowly emerge, standing like artificial mountain roots amid tides. The industrial line moves immediately to the upper assembly deck, where dangerous mechanical alignment begins. The giga-scale mobile bridge girder launcher machine, painted vibrant yellow, unlocks heavy, stabilizing tracks. Driven by immense hydraulic pistons, the colossal machine extends its long Kerfarge arm over the abyss. Directly beneath this mechanical arm, a massive 2,000-ton precast steel box girder hoists into air. The identical worker crew, wearing uniform neon green safety vests and hard hats, monitors suspension ropes. Furious oceanic winds and violent saltwater sprays slam into hanging steel segments, creating physical battles. Workers stand firm on open catwalks, ignoring terrifying drops to lock segments with hydraulic winches. Automated high-precision robotic welding arms immediately glide along heavy metal joint seams with speed. Blinding blue and orange electric arcs explode into misty air, permanently fusing steel box structures. The newly completed bridge span locks seamlessly, extending the highway network further into the sky. With upper bridge spans balanced over the coastal void, the pipeline advances to lateral stabilization. The next step requires anchoring newly suspended highway loops directly back into core granite layers. Heavy autonomous lateral drilling rigs, painted vibrant yellow, creep onto temporary cantilevered tracks. Massive multi-stage pneumatic drills pierce rock faces horizontally, exerting immense mechanical pressure against stone. High-powered laser tracking sensors constantly map horizontal shafts, feeding coordinate metrics to satellite networks. Down on lower wave-swept ledges, the identical worker crew faces a worsening maritime storm. Wearing uniform high-visibility neon green safety vests, they are completely drenched by freezing sprays. Gigantic, furious waves smash into steel scaffolding, testing the grit of workers at water edges. Working hard in intense physical coordination, the crew operates hydraulic tension jacks pulling steel cables. These heavy steel tendons travel over 100 meters into tunnels, locking bridge decks to mountains. As structural anchoring finishes, the pipeline shifts back to the expanding infinity loop junction. Advanced automated formwork assemblies, wrapping around bridge edges, prepare for rapid concrete injection. Super dense, carbon fiber reinforced liquid composite forces up matte black pipelines at extreme pressure. The fluid material fills secondary structural molds, creating sweeping crossover ramps seen in engineering plans. The complex multi-layered node extends across the abyss, creating seamless mechanical pathways over oceans. As concrete ramps of the infinity loop harden, manufacturing lines move to stabilize against aerodynamic flutter. Extreme high-altitude wind currents sweeping off the ocean create massive dynamic vortexes destabilizing highway decks. To counter this, giant automated shock-absorbing damper assemblies, painted vibrant yellow, move into girders. Advanced heavy-duty hydraulic transporters creep along concrete paths, carrying heavy dampening units. Down at the sea-level foundation base, the maritime storm reaches a terrifying, chaotic peak. The identical worker crew, wearing uniform high-visibility neon green safety vests, stands on lower footings. Gigantic, furious ocean waves throw freezing water columns high, completely drenching workers fighting storms. Working hard in intense coordination, the crew anchors structural steel cross braces onto lower column collars. These massive prefabricated steel braces lock independent vertical pillars together, distributing wave kinetic energy. High-powered automated torque wrenches, hanging from crane lines, tighten immense bolts under mechanical pressure. Back on the main upper loop, advanced laser-guided trimming machines align heavy steel connection nodes. High-energy automated plasma cutting units glide smoothly along bridge edges, trimming excess steel with speed. Blinding orange cutting arcs throw dense showers of sparks down over dark blue ocean waters. The interlocking highway loops are fully integrated, forming an advanced, multi-layered geometric matrix over abysses. The structural pipeline prepares for the final stage, applying weatherproof resin and high-friction asphalt. With structural steel joints fully locked, the manufacturing pipeline shifts to waterproofing infinity loop surfaces. Continuous exposure to severe saltwater humidity requires durable, multi-layered chemical resin barriers across decks. Advanced automated track-guided sprayer units, painted vibrant yellow, move smoothly along curved overpass structures. High-pressure nozzle arrays blast thick coatings of dark blue polymer resin, sealing microscopic structural pores. Down at the edge of low wave breakers, the maritime storm continues hitting with extreme force. The identical industrial worker crew, wearing uniform, high-visibility neon green safety vests, stands firm. Gigantic, furious ocean waves smash violently into concrete footings, throwing cold water over working crews. Working hard in silent, intense coordination, workers pull heavy, high-density cathodic protection grids over bases. These modern electronic anti-corrosion grids use tiny electrical charges, stopping saltwater from rusting internal steel. Automated magnetic welding units, suspended from overhead crane rigs, permanently fuse connection tabs into borders. Back on the upper main loop highway, automated heavy-duty asphalt laying machines line up in formation. Specialized ultra-high friction hot stone mastic asphalt composite lays down at temperatures exceeding 180 degrees Celsius. Thick plumes of dark volcanic steam rise rapidly from fresh black road beds against blue skies. A fleet of massive vibratory steel drum rollers rolls forward, compacting material under downward mechanical pressure. The multi-layered infinity loop highway is ready for final steps, adding electronic safety signaling systems. With hot stone mastic asphalt fully compacted, the manufacturing pipeline advances to automated structural marking. Advanced laser-guided thermoplastic lining trucks, painted vibrant yellow, prepare to map lane boundaries. High-pressure jet nozzles lay down reflective white and yellow compounds, fusing with fresh asphalt surfaces. The bright precision lines define sweeping geometry of multi-layered interlocking infinity loops under sunlight. Down along low wave-breaker foundations, the coastal marine environment remains incredibly violent and chaotic. The identical industrial worker crew, wearing uniform high-visibility neon green safety vests, faces tides. Gigantic, furious ocean waves smash against concrete pillars, casting freezing sea foam over working men. Working hard in silent, intense physical effort, the crew secures fiber optic telemetry sensor cables. These modern structural health monitoring lines register real-time vibration metrics, sending data instantly to satellites. Heavy-duty automated torque drivers clamp protective titanium shields over cable conduits with mechanical pressure. Back on the upper main highway deck, the system initiates final, brutal physical stress tests. A synchronized fleet of ultra-heavy three-axle dump trucks, painted matching yellow, enters concrete ramps. The massive convoy drives in tight formation across cantilever bridges, exerting millions of pounds of force. Laser distance meters track minute millimetric deflection of bridge spans against dark blue ocean backdrops. The entire infinity matrix structure handles structural overload flawlessly, proving absolute victories of modern engineering. Following successful structural load tests, manufacturing lines initiate installation of active kinetic defense networks. Massive automated aerodynamic wind deflector panels, painted vibrant yellow, systematically mount along outer bridge curves. High-torque robotic arms align heavy louvers, designed to instantly pivot and break vortex air pressure. The interlocking geometric layout of multi-tiered infinity loops possesses its own active structural defense matrix. Down at the absolute base of vertical sea cliffs, oceanic tempests rage with unrelenting ferocity. The identical industrial worker crew, wearing uniform high-visibility neon green safety vests, anchors seawalls. Gigantic, furious ocean waves blast straight over concrete blocks, violently engulfing workers in heavy foam. Working hard in supreme, synchronized physical grit, they bolt anti-scour titanium armor sheets over foundations. These advanced, non-corrosive metal shields absorb continuous kinetic impacts of waves, protecting mountain routes. Heavy-duty smart subsea sensors permanently weld to armor perimeters, linking underwater data to satellites. Back on expansive upper highway overpasses, pipelines transition to final deployments of digital signaling arrays. Enormous modern electronic gantry frames, stretching across 4-lane asphalt paths, hydraulically erect into position. High-intensity LED display boards ignite instantly, casting rich blue and orange symbols through mist. The sharp digital markers map automated speed corridors, fully integrating megaprojects into transit frameworks. The entire interlocking infinity matrix stands fully completed, a supreme mechanical network rewriting trade history. With active defense shields and electronic gantries deployed, engineering pipelines enter final telemetry linkups. Automated drone docking stations, enclosed in sleek weatherproof housings, activate across upper mountain cliffs. High-velocity quadcopters, painted vibrant yellow, launch systematically to execute 3D laser scans of loops. The scanning beams map structural integrity of multi-tiered infinity nodes, feeding coordinates back to mainframes. Down at Seabreaker foundations, the extreme marine environment launches one final, brutal storm assault. The identical industrial worker crew, wearing uniform, high-visibility neon green safety vests, stands unbreakable. Gigantic, furious ocean waves crash violently onto titanium armor plates, swallowing workers in roaring torrents. Working hard in silent, legendary physical defiance, they bolt-last heavy subsea power couplings. These modern high-voltage power couplings energize anti-corrosion grids, permanently protecting giant structural mountain routes. The identical neon-clad crew seals heavy inspection hatches under direct sunlight, successfully conquering coastal elements. The manufacturing line transitions smoothly from active construction zones into hypermodern master operations stations. Inside the centralized traffic management center, rows of vibrant blue and orange terminal desks glow. Enormous wall-sized crystal-clear electronic status displays ignite, mapping every vector of looping highway complexes. Sophisticated algorithmic servers process real-time telemetry from Beidou satellites, stabilizing transit grids automatically. The high-end operations floor stands as a testament to state-of-the-art automation for human commerce. Outside, the massive structural result of this death-defying engineering pipeline stands complete against horizons. A convoy of commercial freight vehicles enters looping overpasses, driving flawlessly along pristine asphalt lanes. The multi-tiered Infinity Loops highway effortlessly redirects millions of tons of heavy cargo, shattering barriers. An unprecedented architectural marvel, born from heavy industrial grit, permanently tames the wild cliffs. The geopolitical map redrawn forever, securing absolute historical victory over geography of the southwestern frontier. This documentary is for education only, based on real sources.